Hey guys, want to make your own custom chip bags using Canva Free, a printer, and some snacks? I've got you covered with a super easy tutorial and a $1 template that does all the heavy lifting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the template, customize your design, print it out properly, avoid some mistakes I made, and assemble your chip bags like a pro, perfect for birthdays, baby showers, or small business treats. Once you grab the template from my shop for just $1, you'll get instant access to both the editable Canva design and a bonus mockup for photos or listings. It's fully customizable. You can drag and drop your own images, change the chip name, update the nutrition facts section, the whole label is customizable, and even add a fun barcode graphic or personal message. For this demo, I made a bag for Colton's Crunchies, featuring his adorable service dog face and some cheesy goodness. When it's ready, download your design as a PDF for print, and let's talk paper and printer settings. I used glossy photo paper and my HP inkjet printer. If your printer loads from the bottom tray like mine, make sure to load the paper glossy side down. Double check your printer settings to match the paper type. Oh, and let your ink dry. I smudged mine because I got excited and I touched it too fast. My hands had cheesy dust and printer ink. Other things I learned: you could use a glue stick or double-sided tape. Regular tape can come unstuck, and I wish I had zigzag scissors because they make the edge look way more like a real chip bag. Here comes the fun part, the assembly. Lay your design flat, printed side down. Wrap it around your snack, but do not open the snack bag. We want to keep it sealed for freshness and health. Glue the vertical edge first to close the wrap, then seal the bottom. Slide in your snack bag. This one's a mini goldfish bag, but I recommend buying bulk snack boxes at Costco for parties. Then, once your snack's inside, seal the top either with glue, tape, or a crimper if you're fancy. Cut the top and bottom with zigzag scissors for a realistic finish, or distress the edges a little bit to look like a store-bought bag. And there you have it, your own custom chip bag made in Canva Free, perfect for any event or even a small business product. Grab the $1 template below to get started and let me know in the comments what theme you'll make first. Questions? Drop them too. I always reply.